Okay, let's see what the lights look like here. Nice, okay, that's good. Very nice. Beautiful. Excellent. Make sure, there we go, nice. Very nice. Very pretty. Whoops.
I'm gonna fall.
No, don't do that.
Don't do that.
No falling in. Excellent. Beautiful, love it. Love it. Very nice. Okay, and let's let me have you lay down. Let's do something with the legs and the heels. I like the heels. Let's see what we got.
Trying to figure out how to.
Let's see what I would like. See what we like here. Nice. Pretty. Let me get this angle here because I want to make the legs look really long. Bring this one in a little, right there. Right there. Let's see. Yeah. Very nice.
Make you get down on those ones.
Okay, yeah, I like that. I like that position of the legs. So the legs look good. And a little more light on this leg over here. That should do it. Oh yeah, very pretty. Very nice. Love it. Nice. Oh, very pretty. Very nice, boys. Yeah, I love this. Excellent. Beautiful.
Feeling good?
Excellent. I love these. Let me show you how to get it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Let's see some of the color. There we go.
I
Very
like
nice.
it. They look
Very
good.
nice. Nice. Love it. Pretty nice. Yeah. Good. Excellent. Beautiful. Get up and get a different position.
Different angles.
Yeah, different angle there.
He's like, I gotta get high.
Let's see what this light looks like. Ah, very nice. Love it.
Pulling it out of my crotch. All right.
Yeah. Very nice. Love it. Beautiful. Nice. Excellent. Very pretty. Excellent.
They look good?
I think we